Where are we going, Dexter? Well, it's a nice day. My God, how beautiful is that? So many. What is it? Yeah, what is that? What is it? Owl?
No, squirrel.
What?
Listen.
What is it?
Two squirrels.
Look how big is that tree.
Here.
So many trees that's dead.
Huh?
So many trees that's dead. Is that dead because it's winter or is it dead? Dexter kasag. Wow, that's a really big branch that fell down. That's a huge branch.
That's half of the tree. That's a tree.
Yeah. It's massive. Looks like someone cut a tree in here. I'm gonna do video.
Now that's a bit slippery here, be careful.
Oh my God, that's a big one, big tree. Look at that.